relaxing bit here, but yeah, we'll leave for Mark holiday next year. Change. Oh my days! Are you?
Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Because this time cash on with 5X? Hey, slow down, slow down. I said slow down, slow down, slow down. And I got a feeling. Ooh, ooh, let's do it, let's do it. Let's live it up and do it. If you want a good man, look for an Asian. We will talk about that later. Would you look at it? Please, Nico, copy-paste that because I'm not sure if I will be able to read it. Because we do have 100X is the highest one and 5X additional multiplier. Let's go, let's go. It is going to be 500X the highest one. I'll pull the other. Then after you're separating from them, you will change back to their real. We'll see. It's not always the case. But yes, you only need to change for yourself and you only need to shoot your shots for yourself. Make decisions. 11 and 2, target for you. 1 and 3, 1 and 3, bunny and target for someone as well. 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 12 and 4. 12 and 4, cupcake, clown hats, target and... Okay, let's read them by 100, 100, 50 and 35X. Nice round overall. Would you look at his boards? All I have to say, 2,338 winners in total. If you don't mind me why I'm looking like this to the... Let's go. I do see the statistics, I do see lots of ones. I do know that it is way better always to have some bonus rounds with different numbers than with 3X variety in the session. Last race time it was 50, 20 and 50X. You try to make me go to rehab and I say, let's go, go. That's our rehab. After all those comments and after all those numbers, let's go. This time we do have triple, so we do have green, blue or yellow. Choose a flapper moment. We do have your decision time. And 200X is the highest one. Good luck. What a time to be alive. 20, 215X. Peekaboo, 2,109 of yours winners. We're going back to the wheel, and all I can say that
TOPSLOT. So you're a straight girl. I am a straight crazy time. Hi, Rabbi. Good luck on the crazy time. Ladies and gentlemen, 4X from our TOPSLOT. It's now decision time. Choose your color, yellow, blue, or green. Greenish. I see blue team. Okay. Ooh, our max multiplayer is 400X, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Beautiful. 100 for the green, 200 for blue and yellow. Oh, 2,589 winners. Congratulations. Alright, it's betting time.
You're right, PP. You're right. Bets are open, place your bets. I saw a cool message I really want to read, but where it at? Where it at? Where the message at? Evil. Kids try, but low wage pay. Not fair already. Hopefully you don't get nuked for that message. How can I have life for crazy time? I don't know. Do you live? Search up if you have an Evo studio in your country. Coinflip 15X? Maybe we repeat the 1.5k I have had previously. $15X top slot coinflip. Thumbnail again? I don't know. Oh. That is juice. 75 on blue, 300x on red. That is juice, bro. Okay, you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Please give red, and on a countdown of 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes! I'm 300x on red. 1,484 winners. Congratulations, all of you winners. Whatever. This is from the pen to the ring to the king. That's my crown, that's my bling. Always stronger when I reign. See, I believe. Way too easy, man. I told you coinflip best. I told.
For the 5x, ladies and gentlemen. On the top slot. Highest multiplier was 500x, so number 10 with 50x top slot. Sick. And that was just like 2.5 hours ago. Oh boy. Yo, ladies and gentlemen. Cash hunt with the 5x on the top slot, dude. Top slot, dude! Come on, people. All right. What do we have here? What do we got? There's 100x. I see 100x. 75s as well are in town, ladies and gentlemen. See that? It's a 500x max, ladies and gentlemen, with 75 times 5 is 375, ladies and gentlemen. See those? See there's a 500x. We go, ladies and gentlemen. It's about to be concealed from your eye, ladies and gentlemen. But does that mean that you can find it? I don't think it means necessarily that. I think you can do it. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm pretty sure we can do it. You just got to click, man. Only one click away you are from 500x. Come on. You can do it. I'm pretty sure you can do it. I know you can do it. Come on, man. Good luck, everyone. Come on. All right. Revelio. I see 375s, 500x there, ladies and gentlemen, to the east. 18 players on that, 272.
The real money that you are using here, and I truly hope, Mitt, that your luck will change, of course. Here, number 1 is the winning result. Congratulations, betting time is yours. When do you leave? Leave for what? Do you mean my holidays? I'm going to leave for my holidays next, weirdly enough, next year. Yeah. I don't have anything planned anymore for this year. We already did travel to Poland. Yeah, for the mountains. So that was nice and relaxing this year. But yeah, we're going to leave for more holidays next year. Ooh, 10 with a 50x. Nice. When do they switch hosts? Oh, that is going to be every 40 to 45 minutes. Every 40 to 45 minutes, we do have host change. Oh, my days. Are you for real? Are you for real, guys? Do you see this? Do you see this? It's 10 with 50x. Oh, my God. Oh, baby. Are you for real? 500x. Oh, my God. I have goosebumps right now. 130.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.